So this is just outside my window, and there is some lovely wildlife scenes going on. As you can see, there's a beautiful array of birds just frolicking on my hawthorn bush. And I suspect they picked the berries, although there are not that many left, but there are some left. So they really like it. There's certainly no apples left on the apple tree, but that's also where they hang out. As you can see, oops, yes, I do have that big tree. Oh, you can just see. Oh, if I turn the camera like that, there's a big tree there, as you can see. And every year there's hundreds of birds assembling there for 1 or 2 days before they fly off somewhere else. So I'm really proud to be a little wildlife sanctuary very close to the town centre. Thanks for watching.